today smelling like mint, charcoal, and expensive perfume. But for 99% of human history, your ancestors smelled like an absolute biohazard. Here's how bad it really got. No soap, no deodorant, no toothbrush, no toilet paper. They ran through mud, hunted animals, slept on the ground, and never once scrubbed their armpits. Their daily smell was a combination of smoke from the fire, animal blood from the hunt, and sweat from literally everything. And nobody complained, because everyone smelled exactly the same. Now, let us start with the teeth. Ancient humans ate zero sugar, zero candy, zero soda, zero bread. So surprisingly, fewer cavities than you. But their teeth were still disgusting. Yellow, stained, covered in food debris. Their solution? A chew stick. They snapped a twig off a tree, frayed the end with their fingers, and scrubbed their teeth with the fibers. Did it work? Kind of. Did it smell like mint? Absolutely not. It smelled like wet bark. Now, the body. Ancient humans did bathe, but not with soap, not with a sponge, not in a warm bath. They walked into a river, stood there for a bit, and walked back out. Still smelly, but less muddy. Their real cleaning trick? A sharp rock or animal bone. They scraped it across the skin to physically remove the top layer of oil, dirt, and dead skin, like a squeegee, on a human body. The Romans later called this a strigil. Ancient humans called it Tuesday. But here is where it gets interesting. They did not just accept the smell, they fought back. Ancient humans discovered that certain plants smelled stronger than body odor, so they went to war with their own stench. First, mint leaves. They grabbed handfuls, crushed them between both palms, and rubbed the oil directly into the armpits. Instant prehistoric deodorant. Second, pine needles. Crushed pine needles released a sharp, clean smell that cut through smoke and sweat. They rubbed it on the neck, the chest, and the wrists. Third, animal fat mixed with flowers. They melted animal fat, mixed in petals and herbs, and rubbed the mixture on the skin. Prehistoric perfume, greasy, but floral. Did it fully cover the smell? No. Did it help? Absolutely. So, here is the truth. Ancient humans smelled terrible by our standards, but they had solutions. Chew sticks, river baths, sharp rock scrapers, crushed mint, pine needles, flower fat perfume. They were not lazy. They were working with what the planet gave them. And here's the final fact that nobody tells you. Modern scientists tested ancient human teeth from 10,000-year-old skeletons. Their conclusion? Ancient humans had significantly healthier gums than modern humans because they were chewing rough, fibrous food every single day, naturally cleaning the gums with every meal. We invented toothpaste. They invented the diet that made toothpaste barely necessary, and they still smelled awful, but their gums were incredible.